Hello, today I will show you how to solve the pink object character in Unity in just 2 steps. First, how to import the package. Click on Assets and Import Package and Custom Package. After successfully uploading the package, you will notice the pink color. This color applies to any model you will uploaded. To solve this, click on Window and Package Manager and go up in Menu and change the Packages and Project to Unity Registry. Typing in the search pipeline and click on Universal RP and install it. After install Universal RP, I need to close Unity and open again. After close Unity and opening again, I have now last step to fix the rosy object in Unity. Now click on Window again and go to Rendering and choose Render Pipeline Converter. Check the boxes Rendering Settings and Material Upgrade and click on Initialize Converter and Initialize and Convert. And wait to end the initialize. After it's finished, everything is working fine now.